Match text against multiple regex in Python. I have a text corpus of 11 files, each having about 190,000 lines. I have 10 strings, one or more of which may appear in each line the above corpus. When I encounter any of the 10 strings, I need to record that string which appears in the line separately. The brute force way of looping through the regex for every line and marking it is taking a long time. Is there an efficient way of doing this? I found a post, match a line with multiple regex using Python, which provides a true or false output. But how do I record the matching regex from the line? Edit, adding example. Looping through the regex and recording the matching one is one of the solutions, but looking at the scale, 11 * 190,000 * 10, my script is running for a while now. I need to repeat this in my work quite many times. So I was looking at a more efficient way.
If you're just trying to match literal strings, it's probably easier to just do. And then you can test the whole thing at once. Of course, you can get the string which matched from the resulting match object. In action. It appears that you're really looking to search the string for your regex. In this case, you'll need to use re.search, or some variant, not re.match, no matter what you do. As long as none of your regular expressions overlap, you can use my above posted solution with re.findAll.
The approach below is in the case that you want the matches. In the case that you need the regular expression in a list that triggered a match, you are out of luck and will probably need to loop. Based on the link you have provided. Outputs. The point here is that you do not loop over the regex but combine them. The difference with the looping approach is that re.findAll will not find overlapping matches. For instance, if your regexes were regexes is equal to bro, own, the output of the lines above would be. Whereas the looping approach would result in